Hello friends, welcome to my channel ELS English Literature Studies with Kaur Harpreet. Today I will discuss some MCQs which are based on elegies and the pastoral elegy. So let us start with today's video. Before starting my today's video, let me tell you that answers will be given at the end of the video. So stay tuned if you want answers. And there are two forms of the elegy: simple elegy and pastoral elegy, right? These are already discussed in my previous videos, and my questions are based on those videos in which I have discussed all these things in detail, and link will be provided in the description box. For that, if you wanted, you can check those videos, right? What is an elegy? I will talk about it in brief so that we can start our questions. Elegy is essentially a poem of mourning or lamentation on the death of someone, or it is a formal and sustained poem of mourning on the death of a particular person, such as Tennyson's In Memoriam is written on the death of Arthur Hallam. Then we have Milton's Lycidas, which is written on the death of his friend Edward King. Then we have Arnold's Thyresis on the death of A.H. Clow and Shelley's Adonis, right? So my questions will based on on the, we can say, on the notes which I've already discussed. So let us start with the first question. Today my first question is Tennyson's poem In Memoriam was written in memory of. You have to mention the answer, and I will give answers at the end of the video. My second question is Spenser's Astrophel was written in the memory of. Spenser's Astrophel was written in the memory of Philip Sidney, James Thomson, A.H. Clow, W.B. Yeats. Actually, when I was describing what is an elegy, I already gave you answer. Then question number 3 is why Spenser chose this title, Astrophel, for his elegy written in memory of Philip Sidney. What is the reason? Because it was Sidney's Christian name, or because Sidney loved Stella under this name, or Astrophel is a poetical name, or we can say Sidney wrote a sonnet series under the title Astrophel and Stella. What is the reason? Question number 4 is Dryden wrote an elegy on the death of Cromwell. You have to take the title. Which one is the title? Lamentation on the death of Cromwell, heroic stanzas on the death of Cromwell, a homage to Cromwell, or remembrance. Dryden wrote an elegy on the death of Cromwell. You have to mention the title. The next question is Milton wrote Lycidas to mourn the death of Spenser, Ben Jonson, Christopher Marlowe, or Edward King. Actually, this question is again I have discussed in my starting. So my next question is what kind of elegy is Lycidas? Is it a pastoral elegy, classical elegy, conventional elegy, or an elegy of personal grief? You have to mention the type of Lycidas. Question number 7. The death of W.B. Yeats is mourned in an elegy entitled In Memory of W.B. Yeats. Who is its writer? James Hinch, G.B. Shaw, William Russell, or W.H. Auden? The death of W.B. Yeats is mourned in an elegy entitled In Memory of W.B. Yeats. It is written by whom? Then P.B. Shelley in his elegy Adonis refers to the herded wolves. Who were these? These herded wolves were Fanny Brown and her family members, or he has used this for the Scotch reviewers who condemned his poetry, or the apothecaries where he served his early career, or he has used this herded wolves for some unknown enemies. Question number 9. Matthew Arnold's Thyresis was written in memory of. It is written in memory of A.H. Clow, or Tennyson, or Christiana Rossetti, or it is written in the memory of Thomas Gray? Question number 10. Thomas Gray's elegy, written in a country churchyard, begins with the line. The line is, "The curfew tolls the knell of parting day." The curfew tolls the knell of parting day. What do we mean by curfew in it? Ringing of bells in the evening in the church, time of sunset, evening prayer in the church, or dusk time. What do you mean by curfew? In the line which is given, the curfew tolls the knell of parting day. Then question number 11. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? In Memoriam by Tennyson, Lycidas by Milton, Rugby Chapel by W.H. Auden, or Tharsis by Matthew Arnold. In this you have to take which is not correctly matched. Note is given. Be careful. Which is not correctly matched. Then question number 12. A non-serious elegy on the death of a mad dog is written by whom? Thomas Gray, Goldsmith, Collins, or Cooper? Non-serious elegy named as On the Death of a Mad Dog is written by whom? Then my next question is, to scorn delights and live laborious days. In this, Milton is referring to whom? To every great scholar, or he is referring to his patron, or he is referring to himself or his friend Edward? Milton is referring to whom? Question number 14. A non-serious elegy on the death of a favorite cat. That was on the death of a mad dog. It is on the death of a favorite cat. It is a non-serious elegy. It is written in the memory of a cat by whom? Thomas Wyatt, Thomas Gray, Spenser, or Dryden? My last question is, the Regiment of Princes is written in the memory of Chaucer. The Regiment of Princes is written in the memory of Chaucer by whom? Dryden, Milton, Occleve, or Oliver Goldsmith? These are my 15 questions. Answers are given at the end of this video. And if you like the content, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching.